students, today we are going to learn molarity and molality from some basic concepts of chemistry class 11. See, this is not only from class 11, class 12 also you will be learning this concept in solution chapter, lesson number 1. Yes, this is very easy and interesting. Not only in this theory wise, even practicals, volumetric analysis, you will deal with this. So molarity, it is very very important. Molarity, it is nothing, concentration of the solution. What do you mean by concentration of the solution? Like you take one beaker in the 250 ml of water and you are adding 5 grams of sodium chloride. Nicely you stir it, so that is the concentration of the solution of sodium chloride. Okay, now let us go and identify what do you mean by molality and molarity. Yes, come to that point. Molarity, it is number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. Please note the point. Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution, whereas molality, number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. Now I hope you got an idea about solution and solvent. See, everything it is same, something it is same, something it is different. Yes, in that number of moles of solute it is same, but which is dissolved in 1 liter of solution, it is 1 kg of solvent. Solution means here solvent plus solute, right? So solvent and solute in 1 liter of the solution. So what is the formula you can expect? Means molarity symbolizes capital M. So number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution, volume of solution in liter. Yes. Now solution in the sense solvent and solute. No. So WA and WB, we just take it. WA, it is nothing, weight of solvent. A, it is a solvent. B, it is a solute. So weight of solvent, and WB, weight of solute. Already I told, no, A it is mentioned for solvent, B it is mentioned for solute. Okay, now next to one more thing, MA and MB. What is it, MA and MB? Molecular mass of the solvent, molecular mass of the solute. What it is? Molecular mass of solvent. This is basic general idea, so I am going in a deep. This is molecular mass of solute. See, B it is a solute, A it is a solvent. Please note that point. Right. Now, let us go and identify the formula. How do we go for that formula? Number of moles. Generally, you have learned that number of moles. What is the formula for number of moles? You have already learned in what it is, moles concept, right? Number of moles. Number of moles equal to given mass by molecular mass. Molecular mass. Okay. So number of moles, how do we find out? Given mass by molecular mass. Now for example, 5 grams of sodium chloride. I've told you, no, so that is 5 grams of given mass, and molecular mass of sodium chloride, you know very well. So in that way, number of moles you are finding out. So now here, M, capital M, it is a molarity. Small m only, molality. I'm not coming for molality now. Let us go clearly about that molarity. Yes, capital M is equal to, that is molarity. So let us go for that, and given mass, given mass by molecular mass divided by, this is number of moles, divided by volume, volume of solution in liter. So how do we write the formula wise? Okay, I'll write it the formula here. Here capital M equal to WB by MB into 1000 by WA. Now come to this point. WB, it is weight of the solute, that is given mass. Right. Next, MB, it is a molecular mass of the solute, that is given substance molecular mass. That means sodium chloride. It is 5 grams you have taken. 5 grams you have taken a molecular mass of the sodium chloride in that way. WA, it is weight of the solvent. Now come to this point. Volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution, how much they have provided in that question. Like 250 ml, 500 ml, like that they have given. So WA divided by volume of solution in liter, 1000. Now, what is that? Given mass by molecular mass. So given mass by molecular mass, it is WB by MB. Now come to this point. So when you write it like this, WB by MB into the 1000 will go upwards. So 1000 by WA. So this is the formula we are using to find out the molarity concept. Yes, I hope you got an idea how to go for the formula. So molarity, it is nothing, number of moles of the solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. So what is the formula you are going? Molarity is equal to given mass by molecular mass divided by volume of solution in liter. So given mass by molecular mass, it is number of moles. So number of moles divided by volume of solution in liter. Yes, now come to this point. So this is that symbolic idea, WB by MB. I hope you got a clear idea about when you're reading. You please take that screenshot so that it will be easy to understand. Now next one, how do you get WB by MB into 1000 by WA? That is what I just put this idea for you. I hope you got a clear idea for molarity. Molarity, it is nothing, concentration of the solution. Okay, let us go to solve some related sums so that you will get the clear clarity about that molarity. Then we'll go for molality. Molality, it is nothing, number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. That means a solid substance, but here liquid substance, that is a solution dissolved in that way. Okay, now let us concentrate that related sums so that we will come to the better idea. Yes. Now let us solve the sum. Calculate the amount of sulfuric acid present in 200 ml of zero point 0.1 M sulfuric acid. See, zero point 0.1 M. M, it is nothing, concentration of the solution. Molarity they have provided. In this question, they have provided the molarity. Now, calculate the amount of sulfuric acid. So, amount, that means a given mass you have to find out. So, calculate the amount of sulfuric acid present in 200 ml. That means volume of the solution, it is 200 ml. So now I think you got an idea. So capital M, it is molarity is equal to WB by MB into 1000 by WA. I hope you know the clear idea what it is WB and MB, and 1000, it is 1 liter of the solution. Volume of solution in liter. So that means it is 1000, and this is what it is, volume of the solution. Now let us write each and everything. WB, it is given mass. given mass of the substance. What is the substance here? Sulfuric acid. So this one only you have to find out. Now, Mb, it is molecular mass of the substance. It is what it is? H2SO4. What is the molecular mass? 98 gram per mole. Right. Now, next. Wa. What it is Wa? It is 200 ml. 200 ml. And molarity, capital M, they have provided that also zero point 0.1 m. Okay, now just apply here m equal to wb, it is a question mark, divided by mb, it is 98 into 1000 in liter, no, so that is 1000 divided by what it is, volume of solution in liter, volume 200 ml. Now which is they did not provide wb, they did not provide, so wb equal to molarity into molecular mass of the substance into volume of the solution wa divided by 1000. Yes, I hope you got a clear idea to find the answer. You know all the values and you know the formula also. See, this is the main formula. This is the backbone of the molarity formula. Now, WB you have to find out. So you just bring it out. Then after that you just apply this value. How will you get it? This is zero point 0.1. Molarity it is zero point 0.1 into MB it is 98 into volume what it is 200 divided by 1000. So you will get 5 and here zero point 0.1 it is there into 98 divided by 5. So you will get 1.96. You will get what it is 1.96. This is actually what it is. WB, it's a gram unit, right? So you will get that gram. Why it has mentioned gram? Because it is a given mass. I hope you got a clear idea about to solve that molarity formula. I hope you got a clear idea. Yes, let us solve some more important which is related to molarity sums. Now let us solve another question. 0.53 gram of anhydrous sodium carbonate is dissolved in water and the solution is made up to 100 ml. Now, what is the molarity of the solution? This is so simple. Why? Because direct question, molarity, what? How do we find out in the sum? Molarity, you know the formula give what it is, number of moles of the solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Then I have given what is number of moles given mass by molecular mass in that capital M, that is molarity, equal to wb by mb into 1000 by wa. I have given a clear idea. If you want you can take the screenshot. Now let us solve this wb mb, like we will go for it. Wb, in this wb by mb here 0.53 gram. What the substance? Sodium carbonate. Now the next one what it is? Made up to 100 ml, that is WA. What it is WA? 100 ml you have to made it up. And what is the molarity of the solution now? Which one? Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate molecular mass MB only, no. So MB it is what it is, molecular mass of the solute. So it is Na2CO3 106 gram per mole. Now that is volume in liter. Liter it is 1000 ml only, right? Okay, now let us solve this capital M equal to what it is. WB. What is it WB? Given mass. Given mass what it is 0.53 divided by MB 106 into 1000 divided by what it is 100 ml. Right? Now this one and this one will be cancelled. Now your answer will be 5.3 divided by 106. Now what is the answer? You will get 0.05. M, capital M, I just provide that unit. Why? Because it is a molarity concept. So what is that unit? According to that you have to provide. This is very simple and easy question. See, this is a main backbone of the formula of this concept. Suppose if they are asking this one or this one or this one or whichever, you know that backbone of that formula, from that you can solve that to rearrange. I hope you got a clear idea. Yes, let us go for another one more important question. The next question also similar like first question. What is the anhydrous sodium carbonate should be dissolved to obtain 250 ml of 0.25 m solution? So in that, what they are asking, what is the anhydrous sodium carbonate should be dissolved? That means amount. What is that given mass? We have to find out. The same first question like. Now, I hope you got a clear idea. Capital M equal to what it is? WB by MB into 1000 by WA. Okay, now let us write each thing. WB only you have to find out. And one more thing I wanted to mention, anhydrous Na2CO3. See, crystalline Na2CO3 means H2O will be available. Anhydrous means there is no water. That is what anhydrous. Yes. Now, WB, MB of sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, it is 106 gram per mole. Right. Now 1000, that is, MA, that is molecular solvent here I just provided, and WA, given volume, how much they have provided? 250 ml. 250 ml. Now write that formula as you can solve them. Okay. So here WB only you have to find out. So in this capital M into MB into volume, what it is? WA divided by 1000. Okay, now by the time I think you can start your calculation. Here what it is? What is that? Molarity they have given us. So molarity what it is? Molarity I just mentioned here. Molarity is 0.25. Right? Okay, M, capital M. So here 0.25 into MB, what it is? 106 into 250 ml divided by 1000. Okay, here 4. So 0.25 into 106 divided by 4. You will get the answer 6.625. What is that unit you will provide? WB. WB is what it is. Given mass, so that means grams. G, grams you will provide that unit. The next question, it's very simple. Calculate the molarity. Now you have to find out the molarity. So direct question, molarity of sodium hydroxide in the solution prepared by dissolving 8 grams in 250 ml of the solution. Direct question. See, molarity you have to find out. So now let us write all those values. WA, what is that? 250 ml. They have provided that volume, and WB, given mass, right? 8 grams. What is the substance? NaOH, sodium hydroxide. And what is it? MB, molecular mass of that sodium hydroxide, what it is? 40 gram per mole, right? Now in 1000 liter, then which is that you have to provide? Capital M. So capital M equal to, it is actually what it is. Given mass 8 divided by 40 into 1000 divided by 250. Right? Here you will get 4, and molarity equal to, here 8 fours are 32, right? So 32 divided by 40, you will get 0.8. Capital M. Unit what it is? capital M molarity. I hope you got a clear idea about all these related sums from molarity. Now let us go and solve molality related problems. Yes. Now the question from molality. So what is it molality? Small m, it is denoted. Small m is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. The same idea only. What it is? Small m equal to what it is? WB by MB into 1000, that is 1 kg, 1000 by WA. The same idea only. Only thing here, mass of the solvent will be vary. Now come on, let us identify the sum. Calculate the molality of the solution prepared by dissolving 149.2 gram of KCl in 200 grams of water. Yes, now let us identify WB, given mass of the solute. What it is? KCl only, no, given mass of the solute. So here how much they have provided here? KCl 149.2 gram, and MB, molecular mass of KCl, right, 74.6 gram per mole. Right, now next one, and here WA, what they have provided, mass of the solvent. So mass of the solvent, what it is? 800 gram, what they have provided in kg. So that is MA, right? Okay, small m equal to, here given mass, what it is? 149.2 divided by molecular mass 74.6 into 1000 divided by 800. Right, now here what is the answer? You will get it 2.5 small m. Why I mentioned the small m? Small m, which is denoted molality of the solution. The same concept only. Only thing, mass of the solvent in kg. That is what here we provided. Hope you're clear. Okay, now let us solve which is related and important sums from molality. Now let us solve this sum. Calculate the molality of 10 percentage of solution of hydrochloric acid solution. See, they have mentioned it as a 10 percentage. So we can make out from 100 gram 10 percentage. So that means a given mass of the substance, it is 10 grams. Like we can go for it. So WB equal to 10 grams, and WA, it is 100 minus 10, it is 90 grams, right? So this is 90 grams. So in kg, if we turn, means that is 0.09 kg. Yes, now let us finish this one. And MB, what it is? MB, HCl, right? HCl, that is 36.5, and ME, of course, that is WA, right? WA we have provided, ME it is 1000, right? Okay, now let us solve this sum. So small m equal to WB. So given mass, it is 10 divided by molecular mass, it is 36.5 into 1000 divided by 90 grams. See, it is actually grams. I forgot to tell even in the last sum also. Grams converted into kg. So that 90 grams converted into 1000 means it is converted into kg means 0.09 kg. This is grams. Okay. Now here 0.09 kg. Okay. Now what is the answer? You will get it 3.044 small m. I hope you're clear with this. And even in the last sum also, you have to convert that 800 grams converted into kg. That is 800 grams means what it is? 800 grams converted means 0.8 kg. In that last question, actually I forgotten. I'm sorry for it. Yeah, please note down. I hope you got a clear idea how to get this The next question, something different. Let us identify the density of 4M solution of KCl. It is 1.3 gram per milliliter. Calculate the molality of the solution. See here, they have given 4M, that is 4 moles of solution. Moles they have provided. And the density of the solution 1.3 gram per milliliter. That is also they have provided. They are asking that molality. But here they did not provide the given mass and mass of the solvent we have to identify. So here in this density equal to density equal to mass by volume, mass by volume. So here directly we can go for given mass, from there we can collect it. So number of moles, it is actually 4 moles. So here number of moles equal to given mass, by molecular mass, molecular mass. So molecular mass of KCl they have provided here. KCl it is 74.6 gram per mole. Yes, so given mass we just bring it out. Given mass equal to number of moles, these two you have to multiply. So 4, number of moles it is 4, right? Yes, 4 into molecular mass 74.5. So you will get 0.298 kg. So given mass it is this. Okay, now mass of the solvent we have to consider. We have to find out. Now in that they have provided density of the solution, it is 1.3 gram per milliliter they have provided. So mass of 1 liter of solution, mass of 1 liter of solution, what it is? 1000 grams into, this is also 1.3 gram per milliliter, right? So you will get what it is? 1300 grams. You just converted into kg, it is 1.3 kg. Okay, now mass of the solvent, mass of the solvent, mass of the solvent only, right? So mass of the solvent, what it is? 1.3 kg minus 0.298 kg. So you will get 1.002 kg. You will get it. Now you can apply the value here. Number of moles by mass of solvent in kg. Number of moles what they have provided? Yes, number of moles small m. Number of moles it is 4, and the mass of the solvent in kg 1.002 into 1 kg. Okay, so what is the answer? You will get it 3.99 molality. I hope you got a clear idea about how to find out this sum, because a density they have provided. Through density you can collect that given mass, and then you can go for the same idea. So here given mass by molecular mass already we have got that. So number of moles of the solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. This is mass of the solvent in kg. So I just mentioned 1 because mass of the solvent it is relate nearly, it is 1.00, it is 1 kg, right? So that's what I hope you got a clear idea about to solve molarity and molality. Now let us go for another session, mole fraction and parts per million. Okay, all those ideas and some more important related questions, solving methods, different methods, let us go and identify in our next session. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching.